Alright, Boops, this is your first time eating solid food.
Let's look at this first.
Let's get you interested in that stuff there,
You didn't
Mr.
even
Boop.
notice it.
Hey, Boops, pay attention, man. There you go.
He's not even looking at that.
Well, of course he's going to be interested in the spoon.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot here.
Alright, Boops, we're doing this. You ready?
Close in. Close in, Annie. Nice.
Is that good or no? He swallowed some.
You think?
Slightly, you just put it on his lip and it's just sitting there.
Yeah, I wanted him to get used to it.
Let me see, I can't see.
What you think of that, Annie? Huh?
What's that all about, Mr. Boops?
Is it too cold for you? Good chewing. Good chewing.
Good job, dude. Way to go.
I saw a little swallow there.
Yeah, you swallowed some, dude. Who's that Boopsy?
Well, what you think of that,
You
Annie?
eating? You eating that?
You don't look like you're so sure about it.
He wants it. You like it?
You want the spoon too, huh?
This video is already 2 minutes long.
You can stop it. We can do another one. Get some Bluetooth.